The following video will show you what to do when your Income Tax Return ITR12 is rejected by SARS on eFiling due to a duplicate IRP5. If your return has been rejected by SARS due to a duplicate IRP5, the following will be displayed on your income tax work page. The eFiling status will be shown as rejected. The SARS status will tell you what you need to do in order for the return to be processed, and the return type status will be Return Rejected by SARS. If your IRP5 was not pre-populated and you captured it manually, confirm that you have captured the correct certificate number, PAYE number, source codes and amounts. Note that if the IRP5 certificate is for a lump sum, the directive number is also mandatory. Once done, you can attempt to submit the return again. If everything is correct but you still get the rejected message, you will be required to book an appointment with a branch with your IRP5 certificates and any supporting documents for assistance. Note that due to COVID-19 restrictions, branch visits are only by appointment. The booking system is on our website.